Hey everybody, Hiking Bob here with Cole, and we are in the Agua Fria National Monument. We're about an hour north of Phoenix, maybe not even that far. We're going to try the Badger Springs Trail, which goes this way, and apparently follows a riverbed that's probably dry. It's unusually hot for this time of the year, mid-March. Even for down here, we're actually going to have temperatures over 100 next week, which even for here is way hot, way too soon. But there's some petroglyphs down here we're going to look at. We saw some the other day way south of here in the Superstitions, and we're going to check it out today and see how far this goes. I understand the trail doesn't go very far, but then you can just hike along or hike in the riverbed. So we'll check it out. Stay tuned. Ready, Cole? Let's go. Cole, up. Cole, come on. Cole, come on. Up, up. No, up. You gotta go up. Over. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Over here. Over here. Come here. Come here. Cole is itching to go today. He is really pulling. All right, Cole. Leave it, Cole. Cole, leave it. Come on, up. Come on, this way. Come here, Cole. Okay. Okay guys, so we just spent some time down at the Agua Fria River at the, which is Spanish for cold water. The water's not cold and there's not much of it. And there's a trail that kind of runs back and forth on this wash, but it just seems like this time of the year it's just easier just to hike down the wash because Yeah, but yeah, I know there's a lot of rattlesnakes in here. And in this tall grass, it might be hard to see or hear them. So we're going to stay in the middle of this wash until we get back to the parking lot. It's not a very long hike. I think we're just a little over 2 miles and we're already on our way back. So this will probably just barely 3 miles plus or minus a little bit. So, right, Cole? Cole liked it because he got to go in the water. You probably saw some of that. And if all the other videos come out, I'll have a video in there of him wading in the water. He doesn't swim, but he does like to wade and splash around. All right, buddy. Let's go home. Good boy.